Hi, I'm Mike Kubicek, an applications engineer for Worldwide Electric. This is one of a series of videos that help you wire and configure our World Drive N700e chassis VFD. In this video, we will show you how to factory reset the WD N700e drive back to basic settings. With the N700e, we have the ability to reset the drive back to factory defaults in all the parameter groups. To do this, we will need to go to our B parameter group. So we will hit Function. We will scroll down to find the B parameter group function to go into that parameter group. And we want parameter B12. Hit Function, set that to 1. And once we hit Store, the screen will flash and all of the drive parameters will be reset, including the motor information. Now we'll hit B, go back to D01, and now the drive is completely back to factory defaults. Remember, this video is not a replacement for the product manual, and please follow all applicable safety procedures before commencing any work. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember, our website is an excellent source of product documentation, and we have other helpful videos on our YouTube channel. We also have applications engineers available to answer questions for your specific application. Lastly, remember, our tech support is available 24/7, 365 days a year. And thank you for being a Worldwide customer.